Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Start by opening Drive on web or app. Once there, navigate to the exact parent folder or My Drive location where you want the new folder. Click the New button, choose Folder, and type a clear name that reflects purpose, project, client, or date. Click Create and wait for Drive to register the folder. This avoids duplicate names and sync conflicts. If you use a shared drive, make sure you have permission before creating the folder. Once the folder exists, organize it immediately so you don't lose files. Change the folder color to group related work visually, and optionally add an emoji or shortcut for quick recognition. Next, manage sharing. Click Share, add people or groups, and choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor depending on needs. This controls who can edit or just view. Now move existing files in by dragging them, or selecting files and choosing Move To. This keeps a clean finish by double-checking permissions and folder locations so collaborators don't get locked out. If you plan offline work, confirm the Drive app syncs the new folder. Update the app and ensure you're online. Make a shortcut in My Drive if you need quick access from multiple places. If something goes wrong, like missing files, check Recent, Activity, or Trash and restore as needed. If sync stalls, pause and resume syncing, or sign out and back in to force a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.